Did you score?
Yeah, I did. I just put the puck.
Where's it?
The boom. That. Get here.
Where's the puck at? You better get the puck out. Did you get it?
Okay.
You gonna play again?
Yeah. Let's go.
You gonna score?
Yes, good.
Hey, Shady. Shaden, are the Penguins gonna win tonight?
What?
Are the Penguins gonna win tonight?
Yeah.
Okay, what do we say? Let's go. Come on, tell me. Let's go Pens.
Let's go, Pen.
Yeah.